Welcome to Complete Writing for You. In this video we will learn how to become an academic writer. Before you start a project, you should research and take one question at one time. After that, you should focus on few points. Start with analyzing all the questions arising in your mind related to your research. Try to have the overview of your project, and you can take the help of modules available or university website as well. Try to be creative in your research. While you prepare for your research, please find a place to keep your research findings. For example, an envelope or smart briefcase. During the research progress, you should follow an action plan. For example, make pattern notes, write on one side of the paper only. Build paragraph patterns. Put notes in a folder and all them to remember them. Once you're done with research, you should stop reading it and review your findings. After knowing gaps, try to fill them. Plan the outline of your project, essay, report, presentation etc. Use some books for ideas or approach learning development unit. Or you can take the help of few websites once you're registered with them. During preparing your rough draft, don't worry about gaps or spelling errors. Take proper breaks can help your brain to fill the gaps. For example, try to enjoy, take rest, or plan something you like to do. Review, revise, edit, and if struggle to write, then settle with your final draft. Once you're finished with your project, keep a copy of it with you. Try not to breach the deadline. Check for possible correction or gaps one more time. Do not forget to take a receipt after you submit the project. Thank you for watching this video. Please contact us for any kind of creative and research writing requirements. Please like, subscribe, and share for more videos like this. Visit www.completewritingforyou.com.